Hello, here's a short tutorial on how to navigate to and log into the ESP Client Portal. First, navigate to the familiar ESP corporate site at espsolution.net. In the top menu, hover over Support. A link to the portal will appear underneath it. Click on the word Portal. It will navigate to the ESP Client Portal. In the top menu, in the gray text, you should see Login. Click it. Simply enter your username or email address and your password. I have mine stored in my Google account, so it's automatically filled in. Click the Login button on the bottom of the form. It will navigate to the home page of the ESP Client Portal. In the upper right-hand corner, you should now see a search box, My Account, and Log Out. Now you can access all the pages within the portal. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Please check out our other tutorials on the ESP Client Portal.